This is a brand new 2013 BMW 328. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a cold weather package, a sport suspension, a navigation system, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, front fog lights, a traction control system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency is still high on the list of priorities. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.